everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing Jimoo's, their mulberry silk pillowcase. Packaged up with a little sticker you gotta get through. Ooh, look at that sheen to it. This is gonna be amazing for my hair. I like how simply it is packaged. Here's a zipper, seamless zipper. I already know that my hair is going to love this pillow. It's gonna start to just look like this. This is like, you know, super shiny, chic. Also get their gel eye masks. I'm a huge fan of these. Honestly, I love a good gel eye mask. You can put it in the cooler or in the refrigerator and then it like makes it cold. A nice, soothing, cool patch prior to bed, or honestly I use it sometimes like after crying to like, you know, soothe my eyes a bit. So this one's blue and then this one's violet. Oh, I didn't realize that there will be stars on there. That's super cute. I thought that it would look like that, but I actually prefer this when you have these little balls. They just kind of dissipate a little bit. So if you like start losing the balls inside, it kind of looks a little sparse. So I like that it's actually just a gel like that and kind of like a unicorn gel. On the other side, it's fuzzy. You can use it as a eye patch basically to soothe, or an eye mask for bedtime. And there's an adjustable strap right here. Oh, interesting. Okay, so the blue is actually has the balls in there, and you can already see it's a little bit sparse right there. So automatically, I already like the purple one better. Yeah, this is the typical one that I have been using. So Jimoo has basically a bunch of bedding stuff, or you know, stuff to help you sleep. You know, like mulberry pillowcases, mulberry silk pillowcases, different stuff like that. If you want to see all their offerings, check out the link below. And if you like product unboxings, continue watching. Make sure to subscribe and also comment. Let me know, you know, what do you think about this eye mask and what do you think about this? Would you use a silk pillowcase? I want to hear from you in the comments. All right, bye.